German Shepherds, a breed for competitive tracking trials. German Shepherds, known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility, are an ideal breed for competitive tracking trials. With their strong work ethic and exceptional sense of smell, these dogs excel at following scents, making them highly sought after in the world of tracking competitions. In this article, we will explore why German Shepherds are perfect candidates for competitive tracking trials, the training required, and the benefits of participating in these trials. First and foremost, German Shepherds possess an innate ability to track scents. This is due to their powerful olfactory system, which is far superior to that of humans. They have an incredible sense of smell that allows them to accurately detect and follow even the faintest of scents. This makes them well suited for tracking trials, where the ability to track a specific scent is crucial. In addition to their outstanding scenting ability, German Shepherds are highly intelligent dogs. They are quick learners and can be easily trained to excel in various tasks. This is particularly important in competitive tracking trials, where dogs must navigate through complex terrain and solve puzzles to find their targets. German Shepherds' intelligence enables them to quickly understand and execute the commands given by their handlers, making them valuable assets in tracking competitions. Moreover, German Shepherds are known for their loyalty and strong work ethic. They are naturally driven to please their owners and will go to great lengths to complete their tasks. This unwavering dedication makes them ideal partners in tracking trials, where persistence and determination are essential. Their loyalty is also crucial in establishing a strong bond between the dog and its handler, ensuring effective collaboration during the competition. To prepare German Shepherds for competitive tracking trials, intensive training is required. Starting from a young age, these dogs must be exposed to a variety of scent tracking exercises to refine their skills. They are trained to recognize and follow specific scents, differentiate between distractions, and navigate obstacles. Additionally, they are taught to stay focused and work independently without the constant guidance of their handlers. This rigorous training helps develop their tracking abilities and enhances their performance in competitive trials. Participating in tracking trials has several benefits for both the dog and its handler. For the dog, these competitions provide mental and physical stimulation, allowing them to channel their natural instincts and energy into a purposeful activity. This not only keeps them physically fit, but also contributes to their overall well-being. Moreover, tracking trials strengthen the bond between the dog and its handler as they work together towards a common goal. The trust and communication established during training and competitions are priceless and create a strong partnership between the two. For handlers, participating in competitive tracking trials offers an opportunity to showcase their dog's abilities and skills. It allows them to assess their dog's strengths and weaknesses and identify areas for improvement. In addition, competing in these trials provides valuable networking opportunities with other dog enthusiasts and trainers. Knowledge sharing and learning from experienced handlers can further enhance the handler's training techniques and understanding of tracking. In conclusion, German Shepherds are an excellent breed for competitive tracking trials. Their exceptional scenting ability, intelligence, loyalty, and strong work ethic make them natural contenders in these competitions. Through rigorous training, these dogs can refine their tracking skills and excel in complex scent tracking exercises. Participating in tracking trials not only provides mental and physical stimulation for the dog, but also strengthens the bond between dog and handler. So, if you are interested in competitive tracking trials, consider getting a German Shepherd and embark on an exciting journey of teamwork, dedication, and success.